In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal name and account info. To get started, log into your PayPal account and look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the gear icon which opens your account settings. Go ahead and click that icon. This is where PayPal keeps the main controls for your profile, personal details, and account preferences. Once you're inside the settings area, go to the Accounts tab. This section shows the key information linked to your PayPal profile. Here you'll be able to view your PayPal name and other account information in one place, which makes it easier to review what's currently on file before making any updates. If your account has not been verified yet, you should see an Edit option next to the information that can still be changed. You can click Edit on each section to update the details you want to adjust. Take your time here and make sure everything is entered correctly, since your account information should match your real personal details. Accurate information is important for account security, identity checks, and avoiding problems with payments or account access later on. One important thing to keep in mind is that this flexibility usually applies before verification is completed. If your PayPal account has already been verified, changing certain details, especially your name or core account information, may no longer be possible directly from this page. In that case, PayPal may restrict edits for security reasons. So if you still have the ability to edit your information, it's a good idea to review everything carefully and make any necessary corrections as soon as possible. As you go through your account details, double-check spelling, formatting, and overall accuracy. Even small mistakes can cause confusion later, especially if your account information needs to match official documents or payment records. If the Edit option is available, simply update the information field by field and save the changes as needed. And that's really all there is to it. Open the settings using the gear icon, go to the Accounts tab, review your PayPal name and account info, and if your account is not yet verified, use the Edit option to make changes where available. If your account is already verified, those changes may no longer be allowed. That's the full process for changing your PayPal name and account information.